and welcome back to the X8R channel. My name's Georgina and I'm the Product Development Manager here at X8R. Today I'm here to talk to you about our dummy door locks, suitable for all van and commercial vehicles. Unfortunately, it's become really common for vehicles to be broken into, especially Ford Transits and Transit Customs. Their security systems aren't up to scratch yet, and it's extremely easy for a thief to bypass the existing security systems. A really popular way of securing these vans is to install garrison hook deadbolts. Now, these deadbolts are expensive to install. If you wanted to cover the entire van, so side doors and the rear barn doors, you'd be looking within the region of about £300 plus the VAT plus installation costs. The X8R dummy door locks are a really cost-effective way to protect your van. The X8R door locks are an unobtrusive way of securing your van with no drilling required. The X8R door locks are made from exactly the same surrounds as the real Deadlocks. They are also fitted using real rivets from a real rivet gun fitted by hand to give a true, authentic look. The main section of the lock is a machined down security lock, which makes it look extra realistic. The X8R door lock also features the strongest double-sided tape on the market, 3M VHB. Our van is already fitted with a deadlock. As you can see, the deadlocks work with a hook system that latches over the other barn door. This is a very obtrusive system by having to be drilled into the van door and being thoroughly rust protected so the door does not become rusty over time. The locks themselves can get quite stiff. This one we had to spray with WD-40. It's not great in winter months when the weather gets very cold, so you wouldn't be able to open your barn doors. This is a real door lock versus the X8R stick-on door lock. As you can see, other than a little bit of colour wear from the OEM one, they are very, very similar. Because ours is made with a real rivet gun and rivets, as well as an authentic surround and real security lock that has been machined down, they do look absolutely identical. Because the barrel is facing this way, I will fit this door lock on this side. However, it is really easy to pop the central cylinder out, turn it the other way and re-glue it if you prefer. The X8R kit comes with an alcohol wipe, and all you have to do is wipe the area you are fixing the lock to. Then peel off the 3M VHB backing, line it up and press it into place. As you can see, both of the locks look identical. It would be near on impossible for a thief to be able to tell which one is real and which one is fake. And fitting a side door lock is exactly the same method. This is the real lock and this is the fake lock. As you can see, there is no difference between the two. The X8R dummy deadlock kit comes in at just 10% of the cost of changing the entire van to real deadlocks. So it's a real no-brainer. This product is now available to purchase on our eBay, Amazon and website stores. The link to purchase this item is in the description. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen. Are they called deadbolts? Windy. A really popular way of securing they are inobtrusive. It's unobtrusive. Or screwing required.